Tesla is one of the most successful companies in the world today. The company's name is a tribute to inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. It designs and manufactures electric vehicles from cars and trucks, battery energy storage for home-to-grid scale, solar panels and solar roof tiles. The company has a market cap of $568.44 billion today. To keep up with the high demand for its vehicles, Tesla invested $6.2 billion and started building a 5.4 million square foot Gigafactory in Nevada in 2014. The Gigafactory serves as the model for several more massive factories being built worldwide. The Gigafactory is open 24/7 and has over 8,000 employees working alongside a team of advanced robots that navigate through the factory using digital maps. Musk revealed that Tesla is now producing 3,000 battery packs per week at the Nevada Gigafactory, with peak hours of production hitting a rate of 5,000 per week, with room for growth. Tesla has a goal to reduce battery costs to around $120 to $135 per kilowatt-hour by 2025. The company initially partnered with Panasonic to produce its batteries but has since inked deals with LG Chem and Contemporary Amperex Technology Limited to supply cells in China. The Gigafactory is designed to be energy self-sufficient and powered by on-site solar, wind, and geothermal sources. The factory is aligned with True North and has a water cooling system and energy-saving features such as using excess heat from equipment to keep the factory warm. Tesla's vice president of operations stated the goal is to create a fully net zero facility with zero carbon footprint. The Gigafactory turned a profit for the first time in 2021 due to the high demand for Tesla cars and has a tax base of $1.9 billion over 20 years. The factory was built in the Tahoe-Reno Industrial Center in Nevada due to the state's incentive package, rail access, and low air humidity for production. Currently, Tesla produces vehicles at its 4 main factories, with U.S. vehicle factories located in Fremont, California, and Austin, Texas, and overseas factories in Grunheide, Germany, and Shanghai, China. However, despite its successes and innovations, Tesla has faced numerous legal battles, government investigations, journalist accusations, and public scandals stemming from CEO Elon Musk's statements and actions, as well as claims of whistleblower retaliation, worker mistreatment, and product malfunctions. Let us know what you think of the company in the comments below. Until next time, see you.